Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this easy keto peanut butter fudge. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to make peanut butter fudge, sugar-free peanut butter fudge. It's so easy. So to get started, we've got a loaf pan that we have lined with a piece of parchment paper, and I also sprayed the inside of the loaf pan with cooking spray just to be on the safe side. I don't want it to stick, I want it to come right out. I made a nice little sling so I can just pull the whole piece of fudge out of the pan really easily. To get started with our mixture, we've got 9 ounces of creamy peanut butter. This is sugar-free peanut butter. The only ingredients on the container are peanuts. You could find one that might be peanuts and salt, but make sure it doesn't have any sugar. And to this, I'm gonna add a half a cup of butter and 3/4 of a cup of powdered sweetener. So what we're gonna do is we're going to melt this in the microwave. You could also melt this in a saucepan on the stovetop. I'm just gonna pop it in the microwave until it's fully melted, probably about a minute or two. That's all you gotta do. Okay, we've got our nice smooth mixture. The reason why I added the sweetener before I microwaved it is just because the sweetener tends to clump up because I used a powdered sweetener. So that just helps it incorporate into the peanut butter much more easily. Now our final ingredient is 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Okay, we've got it all incorporated. So our mixture is ready for our container here. So we're just going to make sure this is a single layer in our pan. And then this is going to go in the refrigerator for about an hour until it's completely set. And then we can cut it into little squares. Okay, our peanut butter fudge is ready. I'm going to pull it out of the baking thingy, whatever it's called. So now we can cut it into probably like 1-inch pieces. This is very rich, so it makes about 12 servings. All right, how good does that look? Let's try a taste. It's so fudgy. So soft, perfectly sweet, kind of like that sweet and salty combo. It's so good. So be sure you check out this delicious recipe. Also, you might want to check out my chocolate keto fudge. If you're on Facebook, you can just go to my website, jenniferbands.com, and search for Keto Fudge. If you're on YouTube, you can just click this box right here and it'll take you right to the video where I show you how to make it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.